Yes, lots of things. Memory and cognition is very much affected by your mood. So if you're feeling anxious or depressed, it's going to get fuzzy, it's going to get slower. If you are having a very stressful time with things, or if you've had an argument with somebody and you're feeling very emotional and hurt about it, you're going to struggle to remember something. Sleep. Sleep is when we lay down our memories and consolidate them. So if our sleep is disrupted, that's going to affect how our memory is. And if we're not getting enough sleep, again, that will also have an impact. So think about some good sleep hygiene techniques. If you are struggling with your sleep, stay off the electronics just before you go to bed. Think about having a nice warm bath before bed if you're struggling with going to sleep. Or if your mind is racing and you're struggling to focus and relax enough to go to sleep, then sometimes just getting up for a little bit and then trying again can help. Also, if you're very fatigued generally, and obviously with MS, often people are, so just being aware that if you're feeling very tired, that is going to affect your cognition. So don't beat yourself up if you are feeling very fatigued and then there's the knock-on effect. Just be kind and actually allow yourself some time to relax and maybe get a bit more sleep, and then see how things go after that. Pain also can affect our cognition. The reason for that is, again, we're being distracted by the pain, so it's much harder to get information in, it's much harder to get information out. Drugs and alcohol can also affect, obviously, if you're drinking quite heavily, you're not going to be sleeping so well, your memory is not going to be so good. Different medications can affect memory and cognitive function, and a lot of recreational drugs too. So for example, with marijuana, it can affect your short-term memory. So again, just be mindful of those kind of side effects as well. If you're not going out and getting fresh air and you're not keeping up some level of exercise, then your metabolism will slow, and again that will affect your cognition as well, because everything begins to slow a little bit.